and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have my Amazon Prime wardrobe box and I've already had it for 6 days. So I gotta get this in the mail today or they're gonna end up charging me. Yeah, we have 7 days to get it back to them. But for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you like unboxing videos, because that's what I do. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Also, for those of you who don't know what Amazon Prime is, I will leave all the information in the description box. Just click on that little show more button down there and it will have all the information. There's 2 ways you can get this, and I will also give you a link if you're interested in trying it. Okay, so let's go ahead. We are going to get straight into the first item. Okay, so here is the first item out of the bag, and that is this boho midi length skirt from Amerikey for $26.99. Now, I simply paired it with this Time and True pink t-shirt that I already owned. I thought it picked up nicely with the florals in the skirt already. Now, for height reference, I am 5'4", and this is a midi length skirt, but it's almost a maxi length skirt on me. So I'm telling you that, guys, so you'll know in case you're interested in this skirt where it's going to hit you. I'm 5'4". It's definitely almost to my ankles. Almost. It's not a maxi, but it's close. So if you were like 5'2", I think this is going to be a maxi skirt on you. I think probably if you were 5'6", it'd probably be perfection. But that's my opinion. But it's cute, it's lightweight, it's gauzy. It does have a 3-layer ruffle design in here. Here's the first layer right here. It has 2 strings right here, and it has another ruffle length down here. So it's cute, it's charming, it's a possibility. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Okay, guys, so here's the next item out of the bag, and that is this jumpsuit, and this is an off-the-shoulder jumpsuit in the color green, and it's from the company Pretty Garden, and it's $30.99, and this is in a size large. Now, I went ahead and it is designed to be worn off the shoulder like I have it, but if I were to keep it, this is quite honestly how I would wear it. Having that one shoulder off is not necessary to me, but it is a cute design if you want to wear it like that. It does have 2 pockets right here. It is a nice dark green color, so I like that. It does have a jogger style bottom at the bottom of the pants there. So very nice, lightweight, casual, comfy, maybe cute. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look back at the video and see what I think. But let's get on to the next item out. Is this dress from Daily Ritual. It is in a size large and it's $25.90. Now this is just a nice casual lightweight summertime dress. It does come up a little bit on the side right here, as you can see. I just put some simple sandals on with it. I think it's cute, casual. The price is not too bad. Yeah, so this is a possibility. I think you could dress this up also depending on the jewelry. Put a nice cute denim jacket on with it, or maybe even a cardigan. The waist is a little gathered right up here, so if the waist is gathered up here up high, it would probably look cute with a little denim jacket when you need it in the summer, or even a cardigan. So this is a possibility. Okay, so I'll be back with the next piece. Talk about the top and then work our way down to the bottom. And this is an Amazon Essentials solid 3/4 scoop neck tunic in the color black for $14.90. Now, with that said, I like this. I think it's a great basic tunic. I like the length. I like where it hits me. It comes up a little bit higher on the side, goes down a little bit longer. It has a nice drape to it. It has that feel to it that's very lovely. I like the scoop neck. I think it's a great basic piece. Black, can go with multiple outfits, and under $15. Yes, thank you very much. I'm keeping this. Okay, so let's talk about these pants. And these pants are also, let's see who these are by. These are Daily Ritual also, 5-pocket skinny jeans in size 12 for $39.90. Now, overall, they're very nice jeans. Am I going to keep them for $40? I'm not in love with them. But with that said, I do not dislike them. The thing that I don't like particularly about them is the length. Now, you cannot tell by looking at me, but I rolled these pants under a good 2 inches. So they are very long jeans. So for reference, I'm 5'4", like I said. So if you are a taller person, you might want to consider these jeans. They are a 5-pocket design. They come up over the belly button. They are very comfortable. I love the color on it. It is that army green color that I do like. It has 2 pockets in the back. So if the length was not so long, I might consider this, but it's not special enough personally for me, and I do have some jeans this color already, so this is probably going to go back, but I'm definitely going to keep this shirt. Okay, I got 2 more items. I will be right back. So here's the last 2 items out of the box, and then we're going to get straight into the wrap-up. This is a Larkin Row Georgette half-sleeve crew neck blouse with ruffle detail for $30. Now overall, this is pretty cute, and it does have a very cute ruffle detail. I'm going to try to come in close so you guys can see. I hope that's picking up, because I know when something's in black, it's a little bit hard to see on a video. But the ruffle detail goes all the way around the top, or all the way around the top or the bottom of the sleeve. It does button right here, and I had to unbutton it to get it on over my head, and I could not button it back up, so that's kind of a drawback. But overall, a nice blouse. I don't dislike it. It's a possibility. Okay, so I have these Not Your Daughter jeans. These are linen pants, and this is in a size 12 petite, and this is $78. Now they are okay. They're very lightweight, like linen pants can be. Very good for the summertime, as we all know. It has a 5-pocket design right here, and it does have that tendency to get wrinkled, as linen pants do, but they're actually kind of cute, and I do like where they hit me. But am I in love with them for $78? That's a pretty high price tag to me. They do have 2 pockets in the back, and I do have some dark underwear on, and they are not poking through that I can see at all. So overall, not a bad pair of pants. I don't know what I'm going to do. You know, it has to be a love, love, love for $78. But I'm sorry I'm having to rush this video. Like I said, I got to get it out in the mail today. I will leave in the comment section what I end up keeping, but at the same time, I would still love to hear your opinions, guys, because even if I do send something back, I can request this again and get it sent back to my house for free. So that's the good thing about Prime Wardrobe. You don't have to worry about that. Like, I've sent things back to Stitch Fix and had regret later and look back at the video and go, why did I send that back? So with this, you do not have to worry. If I make a mistake and you guys talk me into something, I can go back and reorder it. Okay, so I hope you guys have a great day. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm rushing, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.